first time tuning in, go ahead and click that subscribe button. For all my return subscribers, thank you guys so much. Okay, so I've had my mini braids in for about a month now. If you didn't get a chance to go check out the video, then go ahead and do that. I will leave a link below. But so I did mini braids with my own hair. I didn't add any hair in. So this is mini braids on natural hair. And y'all don't even understand like how helpful it's been, especially during COVID where I'm working and I'm at home every day with Cam. Like, not having to do anything with my hair has definitely been a blessing. So I noticed that of course, you know, after time they start itching and stuff real bad and all that, but a lot of the dandruff and buildup that I have is at the front of my hair, probably because I feel like I use more edge control in the front, because you know, you just want it to look like really good or whatever. So I decided to take I think I took down like the first 2 rows that I had in the front. If you can see, let me turn to the side. So I took those down, and when I do protective styles, if this was twist, I probably would take all the twists down and redo them. But since it's mini braids, I feel like these stand the test of time. And braiding does take longer. However, I feel like it's worth it and they stay intact. Like, I haven't done anything to these braids that I have. So I decided that instead of taking all of it down and doing my whole head, I would just refresh the ones that are at the front. And instead of me taking my hair down and going straight to wash it, I like to scratch up my dandruff. I feel like when I scratch my dandruff to the surface, when I wash my hair and, you know, rub my fingers through it and all that, then it just makes it easier to get the build up because it's already to the surface. So I'm old school. I'm gonna just, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and not grease my scalp, Lord. I'm gonna go ahead and scratch my dandruff up before I wash it. To go ahead and shampoo and condition my whole head. I'm not initially I was like, well, I'll just do the front, but I have dandruff in the back, but it's really not that much dandruff. I always get a lot of dandruff in the front, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wash all my hair together, really get in my scalp, because I feel like the back ones, they're kind of like big and forward too. So I'm gonna start that and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I conditioned my hair off camera, put some conditioner on it, and so I've already detangled this front section. Let me see. Yep, I've already detangled this front section right here. Oh, y'all don't even understand. My scalp feels so much better. I can't even describe it, y'all. I really can't. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put a little bit of leave-in conditioner on my hair. And then after I do the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to blow dry it. I'm gonna use the paddle brush blow dryer that I've had for, seems like forever and a day. But I'm gonna just rub my leave-in conditioner in. I'll just finger detangle. I usually don't finger detangle. Well, I don't have a problem finger detangling, but I feel like that's not the only way I detangle. Let me just put that out there. Like, I have to comb through my hair first, then I can finger detangle. But yeah, child, I gotta get that comb. I gotta get a comb, or I have to have my detangling brush. I can't just do it with my finger. So yeah, so I'm doing this, and now I'm ready to blow dry. Oh, and remember, whenever you blow dry, make sure you use the heat protectant. So the one that I'm going to use is just a basic one. This is the one from Tresemme. I think I paid like $5 or $6 for this. This is not expensive, and I use it every time I get ready to blow dry my hair. I always use this. So I'm done with the blow drying. So this is what I like to do. I like to grease my scalp. So this is like a very light grease. I'm just gonna put that in my scalp so it won't be dry, because I haven't put like any type of moisturizer or anything like that on my hair. So I just like to grease my scalp, child. And I feel like once I redo the front and then have that like a fresh scalp, you know, kind of shiny and all that, I just feel like it's all going to go together. Camera, I blow dried the back to get it kind of like semi-dry, so it just wouldn't be really wet. You can do whatever you want to do to the back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this Murray's cream beeswax. My first time trying this was on my passion twist that I did, and I really liked it. It was really creamy. So I'm just gonna get some of this. Let me see if y'all can see. Okay, and rub it on my hands, and then just rub it on the braids in the back. And I feel like since my hair is like semi-dry, that this will take to it a little bit better too, since it's hair that's already plaited up as opposed to just like hair that's down. So I'm gonna put some on this other side. And then make sure that you go all the way down to get the ends, because at this point, like I said, my hair has been up for like a month, and I'm pretty sure that my ends are extremely dry. So then we're gonna do this last section in the front. Moisturize all the way down, all the way down, all the way down. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. Oh, that feels so much better just from that, because when I got through washing them and they started drying, they were like frizzy, and I could tell that they were really dry. So that's definitely gonna help. And what I'm going to do is, this is extra virgin olive oil. So I'm just gonna put some in my hand, and then I'm just gonna like rub it on my fingers and put it on the ends, like down here, to make sure the ends are moisturized. Y'all can see that? See how the ends are still like curled up, but I just want to put some of this oil on them to make sure that I'm locking in the moisture. Okay, do this other side. I'm trying to do it in sections that aren't too big, so I won't miss any. And also just do more of a talk through instead of a voiceover, because I feel like talk throughs, you can just get more information. Voiceovers are cool, but if I can avoid, oh Lord. Hey, don't do like me. I'm in here dropping olive oil, and then by the time I get out the bathroom, I'm probably been in, what is this straight piece? Fell down when I'm leaving. Okay, well I guess this is just straight, all right. Okay, so that's that. And then the last thing that I'm going to do to the back, because like I said, it's shampooed and conditioned just like the front. I don't know why this piece right here is so straight. Oh, it looks like it has a knot in it. Okay, so I probably need to go back and re-braid that piece, because I was trying to figure out what was going on. I mean, it curled a little bit at the end, but anyways. So the last thing that I'm going to do to the ones in the back is I'm going to put some of this Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil. Hold on. There we go. I'm going to put some of this just back in my scalp because I really like the way it smells. Now, I can use hair grease, but I feel like the only way I would be able to use hair grease and it be right is if I had somebody greasing my scalp for me, because I can't really see that good in the back, and I would want to get it like right in each section. But since I already have this this oil and it got the little tip on it, then for me that works. Okay, and so then we're just gonna get right into the front. So this is the finished look. I'm satisfied with it. It took me, oh Lord, let me see. It took me an hour and 40 minutes to do it. So that's not bad. And I absolutely love it. I feel like once I put my hair like back up in a bun or whatever it is I'm gonna do, it's gonna look new, because I told you I had did like a couple in the back to refresh those. But look, girl, oh my God, it looks so good. So I'm not sure how long this is gonna last. I'm hoping maybe 2 weeks, and then I'll just take them down. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope y'all, I'm not sure if y'all saw it or not, but I put some more of this oil in my scalp in the front and then rub some in my hand and put it on the ones that I already did in the front, just to give them a little shine. And plus, like I told you, I really like the smell. I probably put some olive oil. You know what, matter of fact, let me do that now. I'm just gonna put some olive oil on the ends, over here dropping stuff, of the ones I just did, because I want to make sure that they are moisturized. But yeah, so this was about an hour and 40 minutes, and I'm hoping I can get 2 more weeks of use out of it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below and tell me what you think. If you've done this before, let me know the products that you use, because I'm always open to like switching it up and stuff like that. But yeah, if y'all have any questions, I can't remember if I said that. My mind is bad. If y'all have any questions, leave them below. If you just want to say hello because you missed me posting videos, leave that below as well. And as always, I really appreciate the support y'all continue to give me. Even though I'm not as active as I would like to be, I really appreciate it. Y'all just don't know how much that means to me. So until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye.